Hi friends, it's Liz here. So today I have the October box for your creative studio. I will be doing the unboxing and I'll also be showing you some projects that I made using some of the items. Now I seem to be getting my boxes kind of like 2 weeks into the next month, but that's okay because I still get a chance to play with the pieces and of course show you things that you could do because you would have already received your boxes by the time I get mine. So there's so many items, of course, that Amanda includes. I will have her shop link in the description box below as usual, and I'll also link other videos that I have shared using showing you unboxing so you can get ideas of other items that are included in her boxes. So this one is a fairy theme, which is super adorable. Those were the stickers that are exclusive to your creative studio. Then she includes a variety of papers usually, and these are nice and floral, so they're just really nice and vintagey looking. This strip of paper, I wasn't sure what it was initially, but it's just the same pattern that you see on the top is exactly the rest of the pattern. So it's like, I guess, one large advertisement slash ticket. This is good for collaging. You can use it as a tape as well, like as a washi tape, if you use double-sided tape for it. This cute little box has some vellum pieces, which are always lovely to use. If you have seen some of my past videos, I like to use these, when you have a hole punched on a cardstock piece, you can put this as a backer and it's almost like a see-through piece on the paper. So it's just really nice to use the vellum for that. That's what I like to use it for anyways. So this is the sticker box and it has such a variety of stickers. Now I think I noticed someone else's box included some fairy stickers, which I would have loved because I think it just would have made my projects a little bit nicer. But of course I like what's included in this one as well, and I was able to use some of the pieces and I'll show you how I've used them as well. So this one has such a variety of different types of stickers and sizes. And I think they're just really nice. And then some are just like paper pieces as well. Again, you can use them to collage, that sort of thing. Anyways, I'm just really enjoying going through, the box and seeing what I can make with it. I did want to mention that currently I am hosting a swap. I'm hoping to do this every month. And of course, in the video I made, I sort of had to update what I had said in the video because I forgot a few things. So if you are going to be joining, please remember to check my blog for additional details. Okay, so this is little note cards and they're all the same. So I think I used one of these as well in the project I'm going to show you. And then this is more sticker sheets. What I like about this is that it's just one large piece that includes either one image or a variety of images. So you could certainly, fussy cut these out to make them into little pieces, or I like to also use my paper punches and my dies with them. If it's something that I can, die cut an image from, I like to do that as well. So just some ideas. I'm hoping to share some ideas on how you can use the products as well when I do the unboxings. Let me know what you think of that in the comment below. Let me know if you like getting some ideas on how you can use the products as well. So this little notepad here has 3 different little fairies in it, and I definitely used one of these as well in the projects. I wanted to kind of do something a little different than just kind of doing a junk journal with me. I find that kind of adding it to a journal page is something that I could do quite often, but I just want to show you other ideas of what you can do with the pieces. So this stamp is really cute. It has 2 fairies on it. I think it's one of the largest stamps in the kit. And then this little package here, and I'm sorry, I'm taking my time opening the little envelopes because I like to reuse them. So this one has the washi tape. And now I did find a little issue with the washi tape. It tears really easily and it was hard for me to pull a continuous strip out. But of course, I make it work. As always, I'll save the pieces that have come out and, you know, reuse them for something else. You can see here, it just completely tore off, but you see the little fairy there. So that was really cute. And I think everything you see that has the Your Creative Studio sticker on it is exclusive to Amanda's shop. So you won't be able to get those anywhere else as far as I know. Okay, so this one is the other stamp. That is the fairy. Super cute. You can see that. And they stamp so nicely. So wait till you see how they stamp. And then I believe this is the other wooden stamp as well. So I hope you enjoy the project shares. Please let me know which one you enjoyed the most. As always, if you get inspired by something I share in a video, please remember to tag me. Please remember to use the hashtag list of paper projects so that at least I can find you. Sometimes it's hard to find people, but I always love to look at, you know, projects that you make, things that have been inspired by something you've seen on one of my videos. All right, let me show you my projects. Okay, so let me show you a few projects that I have made inspired by the items that we received. So the first thing I wanted to do is decorate this envelope. You can see that it has like some fairies on it. It already has where you address it. And then I ended up using the stamp, that large stamp. And it stamps beautifully. And then I just kind of coordinated a little bit of the washi tape. Now I'm finding that the washi tape rips a lot, so that's why I've got these like little extra pieces that I'll probably use on something, but it tears. It's not coming out really well. So, you know, I'm not sure. It could be the temperature, it could be the humidity. I've heard so many things about that, so I don't know. But this envelope comes with like a little note paper. This is actually from Digital Collage Club, and I also lined it with one of the polka dot papers that are in her shop. There's like different colors of them, and I thought that was just super cute. So I used the extra bits of the polka dot paper just to kind of layer everything, and then of course I used some of the stickers that came in this as well. So you can see how cute that is, and you know, I could just you know, decorate the envelope, and it turns out really, really nice. The other thing I was making are these cute little envelopes. So what I did on this side is I stamped with these stamps on the back. And then on the front, again, I just layered it with some of the pieces that we got. Now, obviously, you can see that these are tags that I have made into little envelopes. And I think that's just such a cute idea. So you can make the easiest envelope ever by just using tags and, you know, folding it up. I did this one as well. And this one I did add a little bit of, you know, twine to close it up. But I left this one open. So, you know, you can write a little note or send a little something. So you can see it's a tag. But then you fold it into a little envelope. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so that's the second thing that I did. And as always, my friends, if you enjoy my videos, please remember to leave a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so that you can see other videos that I'm showing you. And don't forget to join my swap if you haven't done that already. I've got a swap going on international. Details are in the video and for sure on my blog, so check that out. Okay, so the next one that I did, it doesn't have to be, you know, anything too difficult. And I just reused a card. And I just wanted to kind of make it a little bit different. It already had some design on it, some sparkles. And as you can see, I just added one of the little fairy note cards there. And I just sort of embellished it. And I think it turned out really cute. So now I can just send this to someone. It's an actual card. So I can send that off. And then the last one I did, which I thought was super cute, is this one. It already had a sentiment. So I just covered it up a little bit, again, using the cute little notes that came in the kit. And then I used like a doily and a couple of little blings and this little bling butterfly. And now I've got a little note that I could send to someone. And this one happened to have an envelope that matched. So I think that's just super cute. And I just kind of made this card, you know, that was just plain. There was nothing to it. And I just gave it a little bit of, I don't know, interest, I guess, and then I can send that off to someone, and I think it's super cute. So projects like these are super fun to make. If you make any inspired by something I shared, please remember to tag me and let me know. I'd love to see what you've done. Definitely check out Your Creative Studio. I will have Amanda's shop linked below, as well as if you want to see other boxes that have been sent, just to get an idea of the types of things that she includes, amazing things that she includes in these boxes. And it's, I always say this, but it feels like Christmas in a box because you always get something fun to use. And I just love it. Anyway, so I hope you like these quick ideas of, you know, things that you can make with your boxes. You don't have to stick to just, you know, sticking them into a journal page or collaging with them. You can get creative and do other little things that you can share with your friends and, you know, in swaps. All right, my friends, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.